Hello guys, this is my first model that I have made. I used FDM for this. You can see the structure is maintained, but the finish is quite not that great. And when trying to put the gemstone, you can see that doesn't fit that well, and it looks too bulky. So I've made some light holes on the side, if you can see, but it's not that great. So I've revised design. I've used SLA this time, and I've made a better design. The finish is much smoother. You can see the comparison of both rings side by side. You can see the coarseness. I've used marble PLA, and this is normal SLA resins. The finish is much smoother. I've done a few design changes too. It's not much significant. I've just reduced the width over here, and the beveling is much better over here, or you can call it filleting. Here it's much, I've reduced it, and over here, instead of going for rectangular light parts, I've gone for holes for more elegance. And now I will go on and put it over here. It's supposed to look good. I'm using this clear adhesive. I got it from China. Don't ask me why China, but they produce a lot of things. I'll take this off screen. I'll need to wait for a couple of more hours for this thing to set, and the ring is finally ready. I've chosen purple because it gives a deep color. Now I would say in this case you can get a castable SLA print and put it in the refinery so that they can make a set out of it. Then you can use a couple of set of pliers and squeeze that in, the gemstone in. But this is a much cheaper and easier way to do it for prototyping purposes and design purposes. I'm not a professional jeweler, but here you have it. Thank you for watching. Let me know, in case if you require further more designs or if you'd like to see them. Good day. Please like, share and subscribe. The common cliche statement by any YouTuber. Good day. Bye.